Hi guys, welcome to our channel. First things first, you need to have an account on Gmail. So you need to go to gmail.com and then create your own little email address and your account on Gmail. Once you have that, and once you've created your Gmail account, you then need to go to youtube.com, sign in, and then you'll be presented with this screen here. So what we did first is we created our own branding. So we had to create a little banner up here and our logo as well. So if we click here, customize channel, we'll be presented to this screen, which is the studio for our YouTube account. Right, so here we can, edit the layout, edit the kind of branding that we use. Here for the banner itself, there's a ton of websites out there for which you can edit your own banner and you can apply to your own channel. There is a particular site we used, I can't remember now, but I'll link it in the description what we used for this particular banner as well as the logo. So here it is recommended that YouTube uses at least 98 to 98 pixels for the logo, and we've chosen it to display on our videos at the bottom right of our video, which is the video watermark, and here we selected the entire video. So then when people watch your videos, they'll be able to click on the logo and subscribe that way. So if we go back, so this is the studio, guys, where you can see all your stats and analytics on how your videos are performing. So if you click dashboard here, you see it shows you a summary of like watch time hours on your channel. And it shows you the last comments, so people who have been commenting on your videos, the latest, or I think it's the top 10, and the recent subscribers as well. So here we can go to video analytics. So here's a particular video that we did regarding Fenty Skin Face Wash. And yeah, it splits the different traffic sources on how this video was viewed. So here you have a bunch of stats here where these views are coming from. So the majority of the views are coming from a direct traffic or unknown. The average watch time hours is around 5 hours in this case, and the views are a decent number of views here. You've got your reach, so how many people are engaging to your videos. Again, you have a little kind of breakdown of the source types on different channels. You have your engagement here and the type of audience as well, which is awesome in a way where you can better, say, market your videos against what kind of group and age or gender, what type of sector of viewers are majority watching your video. And yeah, this is pretty much it for what we do. Of course, you got your monetization, but YouTube I think it was about a year ago, they've recently added extra steps in order for you to get monetization. So at the moment, it is required to have you're required to have around 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours on your channel. Until you reach that, you'll then start earning money with YouTube. But yeah, that's pretty much it for us for now.